Our ancestors didn't write books, they wrote rhythms. When you study history through the pages of a book, you are looking at archives that can easily decay, be burned, lost, or destroyed over time. So our ancestors took a smarter approach. They kept our history alive, out loud, stored in rhythms. They built our history, our survival, and our ways of life directly into our native languages, passing it down from one generation to the next. When a language dies out, we lose way more than just words. We lose a unique way of seeing the world. We lose access to our very own core identity. Every native language, every dialect carries a specific identity that connects us to the infinite universe that our native languages open to us. Bringing our languages back isn't just about honoring history. It's much deeper than that. It's about making sure that our ways of knowing stay alive for what's ahead, the future. It's about time that we start documenting and sharing our modern ideas, our success stories, and our newfound knowledges in our languages too. What do you think?